everybody, welcome to Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel you can watch variety of videos and build up your engineering and management skills. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so whenever there is a new video upload on this channel, you may get the notifications about the new video upload. I am Narendra Sharma, and in this video about the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Requirements series, I will discuss about the clause 6, which is about the planning, and in this particular video I will discuss about the subclause 6.2, which is about the quality objectives and planning to achieve them. So I'm just reminding you about the clause 6, which is about the planning of quality management system. So this has three subclauses. 6.1, actions to address risks and opportunities, which I have discussed in my previous video. And in this particular video, I am going to discuss about the 6.2, this clause, quality objectives and planning to achieve them. And in my upcoming or next video, I will discuss the 6.3, the clause number 6.3, which is about the planning of changes in quality management system. So let's start with this clause number 6.2, which is about the quality objectives and planning to achieve them. So the clause 6.2 has further divided into two subclauses. The clause number 6.2.1 is about the establishment of the quality objectives at relevant functions, levels and processes needed for quality management system. And the quality objectives, on these basis, the quality objectives shall be first, consistent with the quality policy. B, the quality objectives must be measurable. C, take into account applicable requirements. D, B, the quality objectives shall be relevant to conformity of products and services to enhancement of customer satisfaction. And E, the quality objectives be monitored, regularly monitored. They shall be monitored. And the F, the quality objectives shall be communicated properly across the organization among all the employees. And G, the quality objectives shall be updated as appropriate whenever there is a requirement of updation. And the organization shall maintain documented information on the quality objectives. Now, the clause number 6.2.2, which is about the planning of how to achieve the quality objectives. Therefore, the organization shall determine A, what will be done to achieve the quality objectives. B, what resources will be required to achieve the quality objectives. C, who will be responsible to achieve the quality objectives. D, when it will be completed. And E, how the results will be evaluated. So these two clauses, the clause number 6.2.1 talks about the establishment of the quality objectives at relevant functions, levels and processes needed for quality management system. And the 6.2.2 talks about the planning of how to achieve the quality objectives. I will elaborate these two clauses, or the clause number 6.2, in a detailed manner in my next slide. The purpose of quality objective is to determine conformity. Conformity to requirements. Whose requirements? The requirements of customer, regulatory requirements and the relevant stakeholders' requirements. And they must effectively deployed and fulfill the improvement of quality management system. This clause, the clause number 6.2, requires to set out specific requirements for planning. set out specific requirements for planning of quality objectives such as documentation and evaluation the results against the planned objectives. The top management provides first leadership, second organization, and third resources to deploy the quality objectives for quality management system. Determine the process and a responsible personnel to achieve the quality objectives. Also, the top management also determine which process should be adopted to achieve the quality objectives and who will be the responsible person to achieve the quality objectives. The quality objectives are used to measure the performance of the product, service process, performance of the product in case of the manufacturing industry, and service process in case of a service organization. Customer satisfaction. The quality objectives can also measure the customer satisfaction. They can also measure the supplier satisfaction. They can also measure the use of resources, how well the resources are used in the organization, and overall performance and effectiveness of the quality management system. The quality objectives decide how good and effective your quality management system. This can be decided with the help of quality objectives. Now, let us talk about some quality examples of quality objectives. Quality objectives with respect to the product. The quality objectives with respect to the products are reduction in defects rates, reduction in defective parts per million, reduction in scrap rates, reducing rework, improvement in on-time delivery. And quality objectives with respect to the process, improving process productivity, reducing process variability, reducing waste in process, optimization of the resources, how well your resources are used in the organization. This is the optimization of the resources. Monitoring and improvement in the process. So the quality objectives with respect to the monitor and improve process. These are the productivity, reduction in cycle time. You can measure the reduction in cycle time, how well you are able to reduce the cycle time, how well you are reduce the errors, omissions and failures. With respect to the customers, the quality objectives with respect to the customers, a reduction in number of complaints from the customers, improvement in customer satisfaction rating, on-time delivery to the customer and to the customer, product or service. Service, what type of service you are giving to the customer in case of service organization. Then support, after sale support. Now, with respect to the suppliers, the quality objectives with respect to the suppliers, these are material defects, reducing the material defects, on-time delivery from the supplier, number of complaints with the supplier. Then, with respect to the resources of the organization, the quality objectives are availability of the resources such as the facility, equipment, labor, etc. And the capability of the resources, how well the resources fulfill the requirements of the quality management system. Maintenance of the resources, personal competency, how competent the persons or the employee in the organization. Reducing of absenteeism, production rate, improving the production rates, improving the efficiency of the employees, and no compromise on the safety part. Now, for the QMS, the quality objectives are customer satisfaction feedback, internal audit results, and number of improvement opportunities. These are some of the examples of the quality objectives. Now, quality objectives may be set at various functional levels of the organization, such as the top management, departments, processes, functional groups, work cells, project teams and individuals, etc. And what they can do, they add value to the customers and organizational objectives. The quality objectives add value to the organizational objectives such as the customer satisfaction, improving the productivity, improving the performance efficiency of the process. So the quality objectives add value to the organizational objectives. Spread importance of the quality objectives among employees and how they contribute to the achievement of these objectives. So the importance of the quality objectives must be spreaded among the employees so the employees can contribute to achievement of these quality objectives. So can they help to in achievement of the quality objectives. Quality objectives must be measurable either in quantitative form or in qualitative form, and the top management must review of the measurement results so that the corrective actions can be taken or execution of the continual improvement can be done after taking the review of the measurement results against the planned quality objectives. Quality objectives must be achieved within defined period of time to ensure accountability. To ensure the accountability, the quality objectives must be achieved within a defined period of time. So there is a defined period of time for the achievement of the quality objectives and to set the accountability of the people who are working on achievement of the quality objectives. For example, reducing customer complaints by 30% by March 2018. If the organization set this timeline and the target that by March 2018 the organization has to reduce the 30% customer complaints. So this shows the time frame and the accountability, the people who are working on achievement of the quality objectives. This could be determined by your customer. The time period and the accountability, the time period can be determined by the customer, management, head office or a regulatory body, etc. These can be decided the time frame. And your business or quality planning process must establish these time periods and include the communication objectives and timelines to those responsible to achieve them. Or your business, whatever type of business you are doing with respect and implement the quality management system, the quality objectives can be planned by the quality planning process and the timeline can be set and communicated according to the objectives, and the timelines can be communicated to the people who are responsible for achievement of the quality objectives within a defined time frame. Quality objectives may be documented. Now it is a part of documentation. The quality objectives may be documented in any or all of these documents, such as which type of documents or document formats are there: quality manual, quality management system processes, quality management system procedures are what type of procedures you are adopting to implement the effective quality management system, and the quality plans are there. So these are some of the document format on which you can document the quality objectives. Now let us take a quick recap. The establishment of quality objectives should be part of business planning or quality management system planning process. A review of quality objectives should be part of your management review process and may be updated as appropriate whenever there is a requirement of updation. As a documented information, your documented statement of objectives, quality objectives, documented statement of quality objectives must be controlled by the clause number 7.5.3, control of documented information. This clause I will describe in my upcoming videos of ISO 9001-2015 QMS requirements. So keep watching the videos on ISO 9001-2015 QMS requirement on Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel. And next is avoid to establish too many objectives. Always try to avoid to establish too many objectives, quality objectives. Why? It may cause of frustration than positive results. If you are not able to achieve all the quality objectives, then you can be the victim of frustration, of non-achievement of all quality objectives. Start with objectives that focus on meeting customer requirements. First, which type of quality objectives you are trying to focus? Try to focus on those quality objectives, those meeting customer requirements, and then slowly develop meaningful quality objectives for key processes or risk prone processes as initial targets achieved. When you achieve the initial target, meeting the customer requirements, then you can move up to the little bit difficult quality objectives such as the key processes or risk prone processes. So this is all about the clause number 6.2, the quality objectives and planning to achieve them. If you have any question or suggestions regarding this video, then drop your feedback in comment box. Like this video and share this video among your friends and colleagues. And if you have and don't forget to subscribe Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel and press the bell icon, so whenever there is a new video uploaded on this channel, you may get the notifications regarding new video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Thank you.